Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do this beautiful Khatakali on plates. So let's get started. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel by clicking here. And then click on the bell icon. And then select all option so that you will get notifications whenever I upload a new video. First I'm taking this old plate. You can also use a cardboard in circle cutout. So I have drawn this Khatakali. If you want to know how I did this, do let me know in comment section. And you can draw whichever image you want. First take a white sheet and draw two lines in the shape of your plate and draw your image in the center. Now I'm going to apply gesso on my plate. So now I've applied and it's dried completely. And now I'm going to cut out the Khatakali from the paper. And now I'm going to stick this on the plate. So I'm going to apply modpoge glue on the plate for this. If you want to know how to make modpoge glue at home, then link is given in description box. I'm going to apply modpoge glue using flat brush. Now, so that the Khatakali will stick a little bit more easier, I'm going to sprinkle some water on the back side using a spray bottle, and now we will stick it on top of the plate like this. You can use a dry flat brush to stick it properly. Now it's dried, and now I'm going to seal this using modpoge glue. So now it's completely dried, and now I will start painting this. First I'm using red acrylic color. Orange, yellow, green, yellow, red, yellow, blue using a stick, orange, green, blue, red, green, black, red, I'm taking white and green and I will mix it, make a shade, and I am applying this on the face. I'm using white acrylic color. Yellow and red, orange, yellow, black, still I am using black acrylic color only. I have highlighted the lips also. Now I am using red acrylic color. I have done the background using blue acrylic color. And it's done. Thanks for watching. Bye.